Hello, welcome to Picky Assist. In this video, I will quickly show you how to send interactive WhatsApp messages from your Picky Assist conversational CRM and how to get the CRM data automatically updated when a customer replies to the WhatsApp message. Here, I am using a real case from our recent workshop. I have a module named Workshop Leads and I want to send a WhatsApp message to all leads who have completed the registration but have not yet completed the payment for the workshop. Picky Assist is not a traditional CRM, it's a conversational CRM. In this case, we want the customer to share the payment reference screenshot by replying to the WhatsApp message. When they reply, we want to automatically update the payment status as paid for the respective record in the CRM without any manual interventions. Before we start, we need to create a WhatsApp chatbot that allows customers to upload the payment reference or screenshot after making the payment. Let's quickly create that. Make sure that we have requested a WhatsApp template with interactive buttons. I have already done this and received approval from WhatsApp. Okay, first let's open our module. So from the CRM, we want to find the workshop lead module. Okay. So this is the workshop lead module. We can just quickly see the data. Now we want to filter here. Okay, the filter condition is going to be paid status, payment status, something we can filter all the payment status which is empty. Then we want the registration status. So our registration status here is that who have registered. So the condition here is that payment status is empty, registration status is completed. That means those who completed the registration but not paid, right? So let's apply the filter. And here we can see 18 data is there. Right now we want to send this message to 18 customers. So before that we have to create a chatbot because we are going to be make an interactive session. So that whenever they are making an update, then the chatbot is going to be collect the payment information and it is going to be update the informations automatically back to the CRM. So in the CRM we have something called as a registration status and the payment status here. So you can see the payment status are blank here. Now when the chatbot, when the user responded after making the payment, this payment status should be get updated, right? This is our conditions. So let's build our chatbot. Okay, let me open in a new tab. So let's create a new chatbot saying registration payment follow. So chatbot. Okay. I have already the template approved. The first message is going to be the template messages and WhatsApp template. So we have to select the channel. So if you have multiple channel, you have to specify which channel the message should be there. Now we have to find the template. So we can find the template here like okay, seat confirmation payment due. So this is the template. Now we can see the template have a dynamic value, that is the name, then the payment done. So this is the interactive button. The call options is a call to action button to make the call, and this payment done is an interactive button. So here we need to set a couple of informations like this data, this value is going to be the name here, right? So this name needs to be replaced with the data which is there in the workshop, right? So for doing that, what we have to do is that we have to first create an attribute here. So we have something called external attribute. So basically we can put it as a name, add, then make it same. So what will happen is that when this chatbot is getting triggered, it is possible to pass this name from this module to the chatbot. Okay, now here we have to build a payment status. So before that we have to map this created attribute, so it will be available an external attribute. Let's create it as a name, so it will get replaced. Now when they have to click on the payment done, what we have to do, we have to ask a question. The question is going to be, please share your payment screenshot. So we want to update the payment screenshot here. So let's quickly do a settings. We want to filter it for the file. File format is what we are interested. Okay, so we can define the file format, what kind of a file format we accept. So we can define all the file formats. If you don't want this validation, then we can able to simply do it. So let's save this. Okay, now what happened is that the data, we have to save this to a runtime variable as well, so that we can get it used in our next step. So this is the payment screenshot. Okay, so runtime variable means we are just saving this into a variable. This can be used further to pass to any third-party system. So the next step is that we have to update this to the corresponding record. So for that we have to make use of the data lookup, and in the data lookup we have to select the module workshop leads. Now the action you want to perform, so we want to update a record here. So here we need to ensure that some unique value is available in this field to make this update. Now in this field we have the mobile number as a unique. Okay, so here we have to create on mobile number. So the mobile number is, we have to put the value, the current mobile number in the chatbot. So when we are triggering this chatbot, so the mobile number will be getting from here. So we have to place this mobile number. So this is the condition. Now we can just limit one result, and sorting order we can see the created date, sorting, ascending, update record. Now what records want to be updated, right? Now we want the payment status to be updated. Okay, so two data, we want the payment screenshot be updated here, and we want the payment status also from the blank to paid. So we have selected this. Now the module, the payment status option is paid. Then we have to add one more value, payment screenshot, and the screenshot we have to dynamically pass this URL from the runtime variable. Okay, the screenshot URL. So what will happen, that it will just replace it with the data. So that's it. Now we have to send a thank you message. Thanks, we will confirm the payment and update you shortly. So that's all for the automations. Now we can just map it as an end, but this is an optional thing. Okay, so we can skip this. So let's validate this and ask a question. Should have okay, if the retry fails maximum, so what we can do is that he can route to a agent. So we can define an action called, okay, so let's make it assign chat, and we are going to be assigning this chat, let's say that to our sales department, or we have created a workshop only for the department, so let's put in the workshop only. So here the internal information we can put to the sales agent, okay, to the workshop agent. Now like all the agents in the workshop will get updated. Now let's update this message, issue with the payment. Okay, so that's it. Now we have created that. All right, now we have fixed this issue. Now this, okay, WhatsApp managed. So if you have multiple channels you can enable in the multiple channels. Now I want this chatbot to work only on this specific channel, and let's save this and publish this. So now we have the registration payment follow-up chatbot ready, right? Now let's go to this page. Now I want you just only in my number, so I'll be but if you are doing it, you can simply select this here all and select all record is also possible, but for the testing purpose I am just showing my number only. Okay, so select this and click on send to broadcast button. Now it's showing only one record. Like if you have 10,000 records, it will show the 10,000 records. Click on yes. So let's give a campaign name like payment follow-up. Make sure that the WhatsApp channel is being selected, and from here we have to select the which mobile number is there. So mobile number is there in the mobile field, right? Now here you can see that there is something called trigger chatbot. Click on the trigger chatbot and we have to select the chatbot. So the chatbot which we created is registration payment follow-up. So registration payment follow-up. Now you can see that the name, which the attribute which we have created here, okay, the external attribute name, whatever the name we put it here, whatever the value we put it here, will be available here to dynamically pass. Now the name which we need to pass is that we have to click on this attribute icon and the full name. So full name, all the module data, all this workshop lead module data, okay, here is available in our the platforms. So let's click on this full name. Okay, now even this is an optional thing, like if there is any other flow which is already existing against this specific contact, then by enabling this, it will override that settings and ensures that. And then if you're doing any kind of a marketing campaign, so make sure that you select the opt-out list so that the customer who have opt-out earlier won't get the message, right? So we have done that. Now we just click on confirm. Okay, we got this message. You can see that all the template message, and it have a call to action. Now payment done. If I click on this payment done, so it is going to be executed. Please share your payment screenshot. So let me quickly share any screenshots here for the I'm just sharing this screenshot. Now we can see that message is being confirmed. Now let's see, and in our module, let's refresh this data. So the condition is not getting met. That means we have to change the condition, and you can see that the payment status is marked as paid here. The payment status is marked as paid here, and the file which we have uploaded is here.
Now we have learned how to trigger a WhatsApp chatbot from the PKAssist CRM and have the corresponding CRM record updated automatically. However, we still need to manually trigger the chatbot every day. At PKAssist, we hate doing repetitive manual tasks. So there are multiple ways we can automate this. You can use the PKAssist scheduler with the connector or the conversational funnel. We will cover this in a new video, so please subscribe to our channel to get more automation tips and tricks. Thank you.